Hi, welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Adventures. I'm Morten, LB0 Fox India, and welcome to my shack. As you can see back there, there's something new in the shack. It's a JRC, let me check what it is. It's a JRC NFG-97 tuner. So let's see if it does its thing. Let's see if it tunes. And this is a pretty big tuner. Let's check the dimensions of it. It is 17.5 centimeters wide, 13 centimeters high, and what you can't really see here now is that it's 27 centimeters deep. So it's no small tuner. It's rated up to 200 watts. It's got a meter here, can measure SWR, power, everything. And this one has been modified. So there's a switch here. There's a antenna switch here. You can actually hook 3 antennas up to this one. Just flip the switch like this. I've got everything hooked up to another antenna selector with a couple more outputs, so that's what I'm doing. Then we have the range selector here, 2.5 watts, 20 watts, or 200 watts. Measure power forward or reflected. And then you can measure SWR, power, or the calibration thing. I haven't found any documentation what the calibration knob does, so if you know, let me know. And then you have a band selector here, and from what I've seen, the little I've tested it, it's close enough. But let's see if it tunes through the bands. The radio is set to radio mode, and just for example's sake, I'm using one antenna. I'm using the Hari 80 through 10 Windham antenna. And let's check 10 here. And it's a matter of just turning these knobs until you get close to perfect SWR. So let's check another band. Let's check 12 meters. So the radio's in 12 meters in radio mode. And there we go, that's 12. And let's check 15. Radio's in 15 meter radio mode. It's a little bit more tricky, but we're gonna get there. And 15 tunes well. But we're not going to go through all the bands, but we're going to give this tuner and this antenna a real test. Because this is an antenna which is pretty much close to resonant on most HF bands. Where it's not resonant though is 160 meters. So let's check that out. And we're on 160. So let's check and see if we can tune it on 160. And it does not tune on 160. Best I can get is about 2 to 2.1. But as another check, let's check another antenna. I got a 40 through 10 NFET half wave. Let's see if that tunes for 80. We got the radio set up on 80 meters and radio mode. Let's see what we can do. And it looks like 1.2 is the best we're going to do on 80 meters. Still, that's great for an antenna that's never been intended to work on 80 meters. Not really sure how much radiating power we get out of the antenna, but it's good to know that the tuner tunes it anyway. So, what do I think of this little tuner? I've only been playing around for it for a couple of hours, but it does its thing. It tunes. And that's exactly what a tuner is supposed to do. And you might ask, why don't I just use the built-in tuner on the 7300? I could do that. That's probably easier. But is it as much fun? No, it's not. That's it for now. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Perhaps leave a comment and subscribe as well. If you want to support the channel, look at the options down below. And that's it for now. Until next time, 7-3.